But if we would like to obtain an answer from ChatGPT, we need to ask a question. So I'm just going to type a very basic question, say that I do not really know what is generative AI, so I'm going to ask the model to define the concept of generative AI. And then I would precise the instruction by saying generate response in 30 words. Excellent. See, so the model has generated the response for me in 30 words. Now the magic starts here now. Now, if I would ask the model to read out loud with the voiceover the response for me.
Generative AI refers to machine learning models that create new content, such as text, images, audio, or code, by learning from vast datasets, enabling innovative applications in creativity, problem solving, and automation.
That's amazing. And then I can also copy the text through this button here. And then I can provide feedback. And that is very important. I actually need to provide feedback. If I like the response, I can give it a thumbs up. Or if I am not fully satisfied, then I can provide feedback, a thumbs down feedback, just to signal to the model that I'm actually not fully satisfied maybe. And then the model can regenerate the response for me. And one of the very powerful options as well is that I can ask the model to regenerate the response by using a different model. So maybe if I believe that the GPT-4o model is, especially if I ask, for instance, for a visual illustration of the generative AI key components, maybe the 4o with Canvas model would be a better option. Or if I am trying to solve a very complex mathematical problem, then maybe the o1 preview with its unique reasoning capabilities would be a better fit for my answer. So here, this is a shortcut option into the model selection, especially when I want to regenerate response or ask the model to regenerate the response. We have come now to the end of our navigation tour. It was a pretty quick one because I believe that each one of these features deserves a video by itself. Whether it's the text input field, whether it's the capabilities menu, whether it's the left side bar with the historic conversations, whether it's the model selection bar, and the key differences between the different models, and also the different options and settings through the account profile management. Many things that we can, and I believe it deserves to be talked about and explored in specific tutorial videos for each one of these features. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one.